Ang gusto sa Dubai, holistic, integrated, kunya sustainable assistance to the school. The school is the nucleus sa community. Alam patawag na ang development is context, ginawang community ang community.
Wala kay bata sa Manupong Elementary School na walay bag. Wala kay bata sa Manupong Elementary School na walay ballpen o walay lapis. Wala kay bata sa Manupong Elementary School na walay dunaan na chinilas na dito. Then we're so thankful to the volunteers and of course, as I look at it, may palit na Manupong. Kay whiteboard na ilang gamiton. Oh. Then, ang mga maestra din na ko pupuhon sa ilahang mga, sa chalk na ilahang gamiton. Napagin sila ay health kit, nakita na ko.
We are here not to instill in the minds of the children na we are helping you not because you are victims. You are not victims of poverty, but we are here to help you, to inspire you to become bearers of light. Pagka mo ang lahat